a very easy problem from straight line in 3 dimension, and the problem is the common point of the straight lines which are given by this and this is given by 4 options are given. Okay, so we have to find the common point to the straight line, or we have to find the point of intersection of these two straight lines. To find out the point of intersection, we let here this is a constant r, and also we let here a constant s. Okay, then any point on this line is given by 4r plus 5, and the y coordinate is 4r plus 7, and the z coordinate is minus 5r minus 3. This is any point on the first line, and any point in the second line is clearly 7s plus 8, and this is s plus 4, and this is 3s plus 5. And for the point of intersection, this and this must be equal. So we get from the first relation 4r minus 7s. This is given by 3. Okay, 4r minus 7s, this is 3. And from the second relation, we get 4r minus s. This is given by minus 3. Clear? Because 4 minus 7. And now we calculate for r or s from these two relations. We no need to find out the last relation. Here it is clear that this is minus, this is plus also. So we cancel out these two terms and we get minus 6s, this is equal to 6. So s, this is equal to minus 1. Now putting the value of s in the second point, we get very easily the point of intersection, which is given by, this is minus 7 plus 8, this is 1, this is 3, and this is clearly 2. So our answer is option number D, 1, 3, 2. Very easy problem of 3 dimension geometry straight line. Okay, thank you for watching.